Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin our repair process for the Thermomix TM31, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of needle nose pliers. It's essential to work in a clean environment to avoid losing small components. Start by unplugging the device to ensure your safety. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel. Make sure to place these screws in a safe location as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel away from the unit. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open slightly if it seems stuck. Now, take a moment to clean the internal components with a soft cloth, ensuring there is no dust or debris that could affect performance. Next, locate the control panel. It will be secured with several screws. Carefully unscrew these and set them aside. If you're worried about managing the screws, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you avoid any confusion during this process. With the screws removed, gently pull the control panel away from the main body of the Thermomix. Take note of how the wires are connected. If you need assistance or tools, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. This will save you the hassle of traveling or making phone calls. Now, before installing the new control panel, inspect the wiring for any signs of wear or damage. This is crucial for the functionality of your device. If you see any issues, it might be wise to get a quote before repair to understand the extent of the problem. Once you've ensured everything is in good condition, connect the new control panel by aligning it with the existing connections. Make sure everything clicks into place securely. After that, replace the screws to hold the panel in position. At this point, it's a good idea to reassemble the back panel. Align it correctly and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Tighten them gently to avoid stripping the screws. Finally, plug your Thermomix back in and test the new control panel. If everything is working correctly, you have successfully replaced the panel. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for support. Remember, our services include no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get expert help when needed. With your Thermomix TM31 back in action, enjoy the endless culinary possibilities it offers. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.